Adding target keywords without keyword stuffing can be tricky, but it's essential to make sure your content is optimized for both your audience and search engines. In this video, I'll walk you through how to strategically add keywords in a way that keeps your content natural and engaging while still boosting your search engine rankings. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to share my top recommended tool that can help you do this effortlessly, and you'll get an exclusive free trial for it, only available to my viewers. First things first, it's crucial to understand what keyword stuffing actually is. It's the practice of overloading your content with target keywords in a way that makes it feel unnatural and hard to read. This not only frustrates your audience, but can also hurt your SEO, as search engines now penalize this kind of behavior. So how do you add your target keywords without falling into the trap of keyword stuffing? Here's how. Start by focusing on your primary keyword, but don't force it into every sentence. Instead, aim for natural integration. Use it in key spots, like the title, meta description, first paragraph, and a couple of times throughout your content. If it makes sense to mention your keyword naturally, do it, but don't feel like you need to throw it in multiple times just to get it in. The key is to vary your keyword usage. This means using synonyms or related phrases to describe your topic. For example, if your target keyword is content marketing, you might also use terms like digital marketing, SEO content, or online marketing. This helps search engines understand the context of your content without you having to repeat the same word over and over. Another great tip is to focus on long-tail keywords. These are more specific phrases that people might search for, and they often come across more naturally in conversation. For example, instead of just using SEO tips, you could use SEO tips for beginners or how to improve your website's SEO. This strategy allows you to naturally work in your target keywords without overloading your content. Next, make sure your content flows well. When adding your keywords, focus on readability. If your keyword doesn't fit into a sentence in a natural way, don't force it. It's better to leave it out than to add it awkwardly. One more great tip is to focus on user intent. Understand what your audience is searching for and make sure your content satisfies their needs. When you write for your audience first, your keyword placement will naturally follow. Now, let's talk tools. I've tried a lot of keyword research tools and SEO software out there, but the one I recommend for this is Toolname. It's easy to use, and it helps you integrate keywords seamlessly into your content without keyword stuffing. In fact, I've partnered with them to offer an exclusive free trial to my viewers, so you can try it out for yourself. The link is in the description below. To wrap up, the key takeaway here is that when adding target keywords, you want to focus on natural, organic integration. Don't overuse your keywords, but use them strategically in the right places. Use related terms and synonyms, incorporate long-tail keywords, and always prioritize readability and user intent. Quick recap. Focus on natural keyword placement, use related terms, prioritize readability, and understand what your audience is looking for. And don't forget to check out that exclusive free trial for Toolname in the description below. It's an invaluable tool to help you optimize your content without overdoing it on the keywords. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.